guys!
Hi! Today we are going to talk to you about some of our favorite Texas natives.
Starting with the Salvia Greggii. This one is also known as autumn sage, and it comes in a lot of different colors. The hummingbirds love this one, and it can get pretty big, so filling out to 3 by 3 feet tall and wide. You can also keep it trimmed back if you wanted to stay a little bit smaller, more dense. You can cut it to shape, and then it is going to give you multiple rounds of blooms throughout the year. If you wanted to push out more faster, you can always deadhead and trim it back as it's cycling through its flowers, but definitely a great low water, full sun option, as well as our four-nerve daisy. This one is going to stay a lot smaller. So you're going to have this small mound of leaves down there, and your height is going to come from the flowers, really not getting much taller than around a foot tall. So a smaller native. Again, the pollinators love these flowers. They are drought tolerant. This one can be an evergreen, and you're going to get color throughout the year with this one.
This is our Salvia Coxinia. So it's one of our smaller salvias. It'll get about 18 to 24 inches tall for you, and you get this pretty push of tall red blooms that the hummingbirds absolutely love. It'll give you blooms spring, summer, fall. This one is great because it can be perennial for you, but it will also reseed itself. And it's a salvia that you can do in the sun or the shade. So anywhere you have a spot, the hummingbirds will love this one. This one is also a great shade option, one of our favorite vines, the Crossvine. Another great native vine that'll stay evergreen for you here. You can see in the spring, we always get this beautiful show of blooms. You'll get some more blooms throughout the year, and probably another good little push in the fall. This is a great deer resistant option. We've had this one under a tree here for about 10 years, and she always looks this beautiful in the spring. So again, a great shade option. You could also do it in a sunny spot. It's a really tough, versatile vine that you can put wherever you have a vine need. Thank you.
Thanks, you guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. We do post a lot of videos, hopefully helpful videos about natives and other plants that we carry. Thanks, y'all.
Bye.